Welcome back to the iGaming channel, brought to you by the CasinoMarketing.Shop. Today, how do I join a casino affiliate program? First, research top operators. Look for reputable brands, competitive payout models, CPA, revenue share, or hybrid, and reliable on-time payments. Next, visit their affiliate portal at CasinoMarketing.Shop or the casino's website. Find the affiliates link in the footer and click Apply Now. You'll fill out a simple application, basic info about you, your website or traffic sources, and your marketing experience. Be honest. Casinos want professional, compliant partners. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Grab your unique tracking links, banners, and creatives tailored by game, vertical, or region. Now integrate your links into high-value content, reviews, bonus guides, and tutorials. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly and optimized for SEO. Finally, monitor performance daily. Track clicks, registrations, and earnings, and optimize your campaigns for higher conversions. Ready to start? Head to CasinoMarketing.Shop to join the best casino affiliate programs and get personalized support from our team. Let's grow your affiliate business together.